Now on a Sunday night, I don't normally sit on a park bench in a field in the pitch black darkness, but especially for you guys, I'm out here tonight testing a little drone at night, and it is the Mavic Mini 2, or the Mini 2 as it's called, and it's up there right now. And I've just tested it for photos and videos, and actually I must say, for a tiny little drone with a tiny little 1/4 inch sensor, it's done really well. The one comment I do have is it's not that cold today, despite it being November in Sweden, and yet the battery is lasting about just over 20 minutes, nowhere near 31 minutes. And of course batteries degrade in capacity in low temperature. It's not really low temperature at the moment, and so I'm surprised it's not lasted as long as it should. But it's done really well besides that. So I'm actually just going to get it out of the way a little bit because it's quite noisy up there. Can you still see it? There it is. But one thing I will say for that little drone, the lights on it are absolutely brilliant. And despite flying it all around here at night, within line of sight, of course, I can see the lights at all time and they are super bright. I also like the fact that the front light has been added because it really does give you great visibility when that thing's coming back towards you. You can even change the color of it in the app now. That's a new feature in the latest firmware. Very cool. Anyway, I'm going to go and edit this video together, get it online for you guys very soon. In summary, I'm really impressed with how it's done. Anyway, hope you're all having a good Sunday night. Look out for the video. It's coming to the main Droning On channel, hopefully tomorrow. Cheers, folks.